Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Yogita. Our subject is nutrition, nutrition for nurses, and today we are going to discuss about agencies working towards food and nutrition. There are a lot of agencies national wise or international wide who work towards food and nutrition so that the ultimate aim is to decrease the burden of nutritional borne problems which is hindering the growth and development of particular nation or country. Okay, now let me explain some of the agencies. FAO, that means the Food and Agriculture Organization. Next is CARE, Cooperative for American Relief Everywhere. Then NIPCCD, that means National Institute of Public Cooperation and Child Development. NIN, that means National Institution of Nutrition Hyderabad. CFTRI, Central Food Technology and Research Institute. So these are the 5 important agencies which work towards food and nutrition. Now let me explain this first. Food Agriculture Organization. This is also known as FAO. Now this was founded in the year 1945 by United Nations. The main reason is to raise the level of nutrition all over the world. The main aim of this FAO is to improve the health status, to improve the status of nutrition in all the individual in this world. Now, the FAO, the main motto was Feed Pennies. That means let there be a bread. The main aim, the main motto of this FAO organization is that let there be a bread. That means everyone must get food. If everyone they get a food, that means definitely we are able to improve the nutritional status. Now, the features of FAO is, now this FAO is working in both countries, developed countries and developing countries. The mainly they are trying to improve the knowledge and providing information on nutrition, agriculture and preservation of food, transport, distribution. All the factors they are trying to enhance the knowledge of people. Now FAO they also give consideration to the rural people. Mainly these hungry people they stay in rural mainly because 70% of population is settled in rural areas. They are illiterate, uneducated, unaware about the nutritional requirement and daily needs. Now they will be the major victims, they are the main victims of this nutritional deficiency disorder. So FAO's main concern, main consideration, attention and focus is given to the rural population. So this is about FAO. Okay. The second agency is CARE, Cooperative for American Relief Everywhere. Now this is an independent, non-governmental non-governmental organization which fight everywhere all over the world to fight against the poverty. They believe that poverty is the main reason, because of that individual is not able to afford for the food, individual is not able to meet their daily requirement, daily nutritional requirement, and they are the what is that, poverty, that is one of the major burden, major problem of developing countries. Now they are included, their concern is mainly for the women, those who are in reproductive age group, those who are at high risk of HIV AIDS, and those who are like they do not have any financial background, those who do not have any support, any business support or any economical support, such kind of people, and also who are not going to the school, who lost their basic formal educations. Also people from a society, those who are extremely from very poor background. So CARE will focus on attention on all such kind of categorized people. Now this CARE is also working in India. Mainly they are focusing about the women's, they are the vulnerable groups, they are trying to secure the place and position of women in our society. They are fighting for the right and responsibility of women, as well as giving consideration that meeting the nutritional requirement of women is really very important. They are fighting for that, because one woman is healthy, then definitely she can give a birth to a healthy baby, then entire nation will be healthy. So that will be the concept, and they are working to meet the requirement of women. So this is about CARE. The third agency is NIPCCD, National Institute of Public Cooperation and Child Development. Now this program was established in the year 1966. The institution was functioned under tutelage of Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India. Now, the headquarters of this program, headquarters of this unit is in Delhi, and there are three region centers. The three regional centers are in Lucknow, Bangalore and Guwahati. Now, NIPCCD, it devotes promoting the voluntary action, research, training and documentation of all the nutritional problems, malnutrition conditions, women and child developmental issues. Everything is recorded under this program. Now, this program is also train the people who works under ICDC, Integrated Child Developmental Scheme. Those are work, they'll train them how to meet the nutritional requirement of children, or how to meet the requirement of women, those who comes under this category, like vulnerable groups, those who are pregnant, antenatal mother, lactating mother, teenage adolescent girls who are more prone, more chance to develop nutritional anemia, as well as menopausal women, those who are at risk of developing anemia or any kind of emotional and nutritional disorders. So they are concerning such kind of vulnerable risky categories. So this is all about NIPCCD, National Institute of Public Cooperation and Child Development. Fine. The next one was NIN, National Institute of Nutrition at Hyderabad. Now, this is a premier nutrition research institute of India. ICMR, you might have heard about that, Indian Council of Medical Research. This is under Ministry of Health. Now, this is established in the year 1918. Basically, it was in Konunur, but it was shifted to it shifted to Hyderabad later. Now, this institute has recognized to provide focus the nutritional deficiency problems. Now, this center is conducting all the surveys, undergoing the programs to check what all the upcoming problems and how we can meet the requirement of people. Now here the main objective is to identify the various dietary and nutritional problems. As I said, we are checking what all the nutritional problems are present in the country. What are the dietary problems, because people are not able to afford for the food. They are not able to make a substitute. They are not able to get a food belongs to a particular food category like fish, meat, milk. They are expensive food material which local people poor people are not able to afford. So these all things are assessed. Then to continuously monitor the diet and malnutrition. Here they are making a continuous checkup of diet intake, what you're taking, and malnutrition problem in particular group of people. Then they also evolve in effective management and prevention of nutritional problems. They are checking what all the problems are there, not only checking and assessing, they are also taking the measures to solve that problem. Okay, for example, if they detected any nutritional anemia problem, the prevention is they will implement this nutritional prophylaxis program there, where they are supplying this folic acid tablets. So such activity is done by NIN. Then they also coordinating nutritional research with the other health programs with the help of government. They are conducting certain research works that help us to identify what all are the problems. Now see, the research is done. That's why we understood there is a problem called goiter. Otherwise, people may think that it may be hereditary or it may be a sin, something like that. They had a misconception, but there was a proper research done. Because of that, we got an exact information that goiter is because of iodine deficiency. Now that problem can be sorted out by providing iodized salt. So this is the way a research work is done based on the nutritional problems. Then they also try to give a detailed information on nutritional problems so that we can enhance the knowledge of people. It's very important that improve the knowledge. Unless you have a knowledge, unless you gain the knowledge, you are not able to solve the problem. So it's very important that we are imparting knowledge to the people. Now this also advise government and other organization to issues or discuss about the issues relating on nutrition. See, poor socioeconomic condition that may leads with the nutrition problem. Uneducated people or lack of literacy, again that will be related to the nutritional problem. Poverty or an economical issue, that again related to this nutritional problem. So we need to make a discussion about all such issues which is directly related to nutritional issues. Now the main mission is it enable the food and nutrition security, conducting to the good health, growth and development, and increase the productivity of through dedicated researchers. Mainly they are doing all this research work so that ultimate aim is to improve the quality of life, improve the nutritional state of people, so that we are able to decrease the mortality and morbidity. So this is all about NIN, National Nutritional, NIN is National Institute of Nutrition. Okay. Now next, the fifth one is CFTRI, Central Food Technology and Research Institute. By the word itself, we are able to understand certain new technologies are used, research have been conducted so that we are able to improve the quality of life, quality of food material what we are using, and quality of preparation which we are giving for the people. Now that all considered in CFTRI. Now CFTRI is situated in Mysore. It is a constituent laboratory of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research of New Delhi. Now it is established in the year 1950. Whereas fundamental application of science and research and technologies are used here. The main aim is to develop the programs. The main aim is to promote the aid the implementing new technologies in agriculture or production or transport, such kind of areas, such kind of aspects. Now main technologies what I can say is, now here preparing a formula feed for the children. How we can prepare the formula feed? See, beginning maybe they were just giving cow milk and other substitute milk, but how you have to prepare that? Because there should be easy digestion for the infant. So there such factors has to be considered. Also developing some economical cheap nutritional rich foods. They are giving education so that you can cultivate such kind of food which is economically cheap and also rich in nutrients, so that we are able to meet the requirement of poor people who can afford to buy such nutritious food item for a very low cost, very low prices. Also, their design and fabrication of energy efficient and cost effective equipments for milling of food grains and pulses. Now, if you want to do some agriculture work, you require some millings, you require some equipments, whatever. Now, that is prepared and given for a very less cost. So, that also is done under CFTRI. Now, this is a simple process of this is a simple process for preservation of fruit and vegetable, so that they can make sure that these all fruits and vegetables are available when there is no season. So definitely we can provide all these fruit and other vegetables to meet the nutritional requirement. So this also is done by CFTRI. So we discussed about 5 important agencies which works with food and nutrition. First is FAO, Food Agriculture Organization. Next is CARE, Cooperative for American Relief Everywhere. Then NIN, National Institute of Nutrition. Then NIPCCD, National Institute of Public Cooperation and Child Development. The last one was CFTRI, Central Food Technology and Research Institution. I hope you understood. It may be little difficult. I request you please read and go through the video once again, make some notes, and please study these 5 agencies. If you read these 5 agencies is really enough, more than enough. Please learn these 5 agencies. I see you in the next class. Thank you.